Hello and welcome to Audax. This is a quick introduction on our BIO-AX body-worn video camera. First, let's talk about how to operate the video camera itself. You've got that main button, the one with the Audax logo on it. If you push and hold that button, you're going to be able to start recording even if the camera's not turned on. If the camera is turned on, you can tap this button to start and stop recording as you need. On the right hand side of the camera, we've got the main power button, and you can use this one to turn the camera on when you don't intend to start recording immediately. Up from that is the audio button, and you're going to be able to do an audio recording without video if you really need to. And on top of that, you have the infrared button.
This is normally set to automatic and will turn the infrared on when in dark environments. If you would like to trigger it manually, you can do so by pressing this button.
And at the very top of the right hand side, you have that orange push to talk button. Now, if you are using our CMS software, you can use this to talk back to the CMS control center or your call group, just like a walkie-talkie. And onto the left hand side of the camera, you've got that orange SOS button. Yet again, if you are linked to the Audax CMS software, then this is going to send an SOS command through to that software. Above that, you have a rubber gasket. This is marked SIM card on the BIO-AX camera, and that's because behind it, you can insert your SIM card. There is also a 2.5mm audio jack, which you can use not only for a headset, but also for the Audax mini camera as well. And above the audio jack, you've got a USB socket, which means you can charge the camera on the go, or even plug it into a laptop if you wanted to use Cam Manager without an Audax dock. And finally, on top of the camera, you have an orange video button. Now this one actually works exactly the same on the front of the camera, but sometimes it can be easier to grab it from the top in certain situations. On the other side, you have a black picture button. Now this one you can tap to take photographs, or if you are set up for live streaming, then you push and hold that one to start live streaming. On top of the camera, there are 4 LEDs. We've got a green one showing when the camera's turned on, a blue one showing when the camera is charging. That one's going to turn off when the camera's fully charged. Then you have a red one, which is going to flash slowly when the camera's pre-recording, be solid when the camera is recording, and then flash fast when the camera is post-recording. The final one is a white LED, and that one's going to flash when the camera is set up for live streaming, but isn't streaming. When that light is solid, it's going to tell you that the camera is streaming. On the back of the camera, there's a 2-inch display with 4 buttons. Now you can actually access the camera and change some settings whilst you're on the go, even if you're not near a docking station or even a computer with a USB cable attached. This means that you can change those little settings and resolutions whilst you're out and about. On the display, you'll find your camera ID, user ID, battery level, connectivity functions such as GPS and signal for your SIM card if you have got it set up for live streaming, and of course your storage information. As with all Audax body-worn video cameras, the BIO-AX can also be specified with AES-256 encryption or not. The BIO-AX is also compatible with all click-fast connectors, meaning you can attach it to yourself in any way you want to, or even things around you if needed. The BIO-AX camera is compatible with DEM Standalone, DEM Server, and CMS software, all provided by Audax. If you would like to find out more, or if you need support with your Audax product, whether it's a BIO-AX camera or not, please email support@audaxuk.com. And remember, always safer with Audax.